Coffee is part of your daily ritual, and making it better is part of ours. Drip by drip, cup by cup. We designed the OXO Brew 8-cup coffee maker to meet the highest industry standards and exceed yours. We added a single-serve mode because sometimes one perfect cup is enough. The Better Brew precision brewing system starts with the push of a button, heating water to just the right temperature. With an integrated bloom cycle inspired by the pour-over brewing method to deliver a balanced, more flavorful cup. Our commitment to better brewing shows in every product we make, every time you brew, so you can savor every cup, every sip, every day. The OXO Brew 8-cup coffee maker. Better brewing, better coffee, better day.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, Director of Marketing Communications for Cuisinart. This is the Cuisinart frozen yogurt and ice cream maker. It's really fun to use, it's simple to operate. You basically take your freezer bowl, put it in the freezer overnight. We recommend a minimum of 8 hours at 0 degrees. You just mount it on the base, you add your ingredients for the ice cream, you put in your dasher, which actually is what mixes the ice cream as it's turning. You put on the lid, lock it into place, and this lid actually has a hole right in the center, so later on when your ice cream's almost finished, you can add some ingredients in there, or you can pour your liquid ingredients through there as you begin to make your ice cream. Then you basically turn it on, and in about 25 to 30 minutes, you'll have fresh homemade ice cream. It couldn't be easier, and this ice cream maker makes about 1.5 quarts.
Hi, I'm Chef Ethan Stoll. Today we're using the Kenwood Multi-Pro food processor, and we're going to be making a Dungeness crab and avocado dip. The main ingredients we have here are avocados, obviously. We've got 1 pound of picked Dungeness crab meat. We've got a couple different types of herbs. Today we're using basil and mint. You really can use whichever herbs you'd like. Some people like cilantro, some people like parsley. It's just meant to give the avocado and crab dip one more level of flavor. And then we just have a little lemon juice and some salt. So we've got the chopping blade attachment on there that'll puree all the avocados up into a really nice smooth puree. With a little bit of salt in there. I'm going to use a little bit of lemon juice. We're going to pick a few herbs and put it in there. 6 or 8 leaves of basil, 6 or 8 leaves of mint. And all I'm going to do is put the lid on, lock it down. Okay, so now that the avocado's pureed where I want, I'm going to take out the chopping blade. And I'm actually going to put on the dough blade. Now the dough blade's nice, it doesn't do any chopping, but on a low speed it'll just kind of fold the crab in, because the crab is very delicate and you don't want to chop it up. You just want to kind of have it folded into the avocado puree. And as you can see, it's just slowly getting mixed in. Just going to put it down just on a plate. And then there's a little pile of crostinis that your guests can kind of dig into, and then a little spoon to make it all work. The avocado crab dip with mint and basil. Enjoy.
Enjoy the delicious taste of freshly baked bread in the convenience of your home with the new Oster Express Bake Bread Maker. Bake your favorite breads in under an hour with the Express Bake function. Just add the ingredients, choose your desired setting, add nuts and fruits in the dispenser, and enjoy. With your Oster Bread Maker with Express Bake, you can even prepare cakes, yogurt, and jam. Waking up to the smell of freshly baked bread is now possible with the new Oster Express Bake Bread Maker.
Cook like a chef and create gourmet meals with the KitchenAid digital countertop convection oven that lets you bake, broil, roast, or crisp, delivering full-size oven performance for perfect results. Enjoy specialty functions like a Sato roast and experience superior tasting meat and fish. Select the pizza function for the perfect crust, however crisp you like it. And with the convection mode, you can quickly and evenly roast up to a 4-pound chicken. Full-size oven performance for your countertop.
I love French fries, particularly when I don't feel guilty having them. And that's why I cook them in an air fryer. Thanks to Tefal, they've brought out this fantastic new Ultimate Fry Deluxe. It's fantastic because it's got a large capacity, 1.2 litres. You can have your favorite chippies with little or no oil. You can see with this handle that you can take it off quite easily. So it can be attached to this basket or to the bowl. What I'm going to demonstrate is my favourite thing to cook in this air fryer, and that is French fries. We'll just pop in the basket, and then you can see here on this unique touchscreen that there are 8 different functions. I'm just going to place it onto the chip function and it'll cook at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. All right, the French fries are ready. It smells fantastic in here. And have a look how golden brown this chip is. That's because of that powerful airflow that we get from this super compact fryer. I love these chippies, but I love this air fryer even more because of its detachable non-stick base that is 100% dishwasher safe. So forget about deep frying, it's all about air frying.